welcome back to my channel. So today I am back like I never left with a hair tutorial, and it's going to be all about this fabulous, amazing wash and go I am rocking right now. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So I'm so excited because my hair turned out so pretty. OMG, can't nobody tell me nothing right now. I've been staying away from doing wash and goes lately because my hair is getting longer, which means I am setting myself up for knots and more knots. So I've been trying to stay away, but today I woke up and I just felt very brave and I felt like rocking a wash and go. So I hopped in the shower and I made it happen. Before we get into the video, if you are new here, welcome to my channel, but don't forget to click that subscribe button, girl, and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and let's get into it. So my hair was an absolute disaster. I was actually rocking finger coils before this, so it was really tangled, matted. I had cat hair in it. Shh, don't tell anybody. Anyway, so I hopped in the shower and I actually started by coil washing. Because my hair was finger coiled, I felt like I really needed to get in there and detangle it. And I don't use a comb. I haven't used a comb in a while, so I use my fingers. Following up with shampoo. I mean, self-explanatory. I don't really need to say anything here. But before I actually rinse out the shampoo, I'm going to use more conditioner so that when I rinse it out, my hair actually feels moisturized versus stripped. So that's a little tip. Following up with deep conditioning. You can never do too much conditioning. So I'm gonna let that set while, I do my thing. And my hair is super soft enough so that I can continue to finger detangle. And then I'm going to follow up with an oil. Yes, oil. Before I go ahead and put on gel, I really have to make sure that my hair is super moisturized. So I go with an oil and then I follow up with my shea butter before a gel. My hair personally, gel is pretty tricky. It dries it out really badly. So I try to prevent this as much as I can. So the reason why this wash and go is super easy, breezy, it's because I let my hair do its thing. I'm not trying to force it into a curl. I let it do what 4C hair does, which is shrink. But I'm not going to let it shrink too much now. So I'm going to go in with a blow dryer. I am fully aware that this is probably not proper technique. You should probably use a diffuser to get better results, but potato, whatever. I'm also going to try to stretch my roots a little bit by using a pick. And that's it. If you have any requests for videos, go ahead and leave your girl a note below. Okay, let us just know. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. By the way, don't you guys love this? It's a jumper and it's so cute.